Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open Capcut. Go to New Project. And select 9 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add effect. Go to Effect and choose Black Flash. Now apply effect to first photo only. Now apply animation to other photos. Tap on photo, go to animation, then combo, and apply distort right effect. You can apply other effects too. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.